Conan here from CR Components again, here to show you a gearbox rebuild kit we have for Case, John Deere, and New Holland machines. So over here, this is what you'll be looking at on the outside of your machine. If you have this version, it'll be a flat end cover with a split snap ring, and you'll have 2 or 3 oil plugs on the outside there, locking that snap ring in, allowing you to drain your oil. Your track and your sprocket obviously would go here, and if you were wanting to change your dual cone face seal, this is the kit for you. You've got dual cone face seal here in the kit. Got 3 of your oil plugs there. There's 2 variations of O-rings for the end cover, a 2mm and a 3mm. And then we got your 2 big main drive bearings. If it's had enough hours to wear this seal out, your bearings are going to have some marbling and some pitting on the inside because it's bearing that whole track load and everything. So we highly recommend you also change these. Of course, we do sell everything individually. We've got the dual cone face seals online, the O-rings, anything you need separately, we're happy to help you with that also. Check out crcomponents.com. And in the description, we'll go over all the models of those early serial brakes on John Deere, Case, and New Holland that these fit. Thanks for watching.